Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. If you're new here, please subscribe, please ring the bell, please like or dislike or do whatever you want to the video. You can share it, just don't change it, and ask questions below or email us at support@pathtradingpartners.com. Follow us on Twitter, path_trading. So, questions we got, Chainlink. Chainlink. Big rise up. Does it work? Does it work with our stuff? What are the levels? What are we looking for? Okay, so I have this on. Let me go back here. Last daily swing high. See, coming back down, holding above the 12.5% retracement, and then you got 8 pushing the price. 4 hour here. Coming back to the rotation zone, you see, and then the nice rotation back up, giving us also our 12.5% levels, 16.12, which you see pausing there, little pullback. Let's see what it did on 1 hour, just curious. So see, pausing, pull back to the 1 hour rotation zone, rotating up, look at that, hitting the next level. What was the next level? Exactly. 1775, pulling back, drifting sideways, and now eking out a new high. Let's bring up our retracements. Let's bring up our major levels. Now this, we just triggered a divergence. For those who don't know what a divergence is, higher high in price action, lower high on the 4 hour RSI. Already pulled back to the 4 hour rotation zone, and divergence is signaling that momentum is waning. Just an FYI, daily chart, we are really overextended from the rotation zone. Not saying it has to return there tomorrow, but it will come in contact again with that rotation zone. Weekly's just left it away. So start getting cautious. If you're trading this, you know, you can know where your stop is. If you're just holding it, when you get to this point, aggressive ads aren't the thing. We wait for the bigger pullback. Right now, minor level, let's go to that 1 hour since it is so overextended, already dipping through that rotation zone. So you can see that major support with the 12.5% and just with price action. So you got, that's a pretty important level, 16.23. I'm just going to watch 16.25. If we start getting below that 16.25, we'd be in the 4 hour rotation zone. Next level down is about 15.20, and then major support now coming in about 14.10, 14.12. So those are your key levels on any pullback. Let's do this too, because these are going to be really wide levels. So I'm going to do the most recent swing off the 4 hour. So here's the most recent swing. I'm assuming this is a pausing bar right here. We don't know, so let's just be safe right here. So this gives us, see, if I go to this one, we've already roughly hit the next level, just shy of it. So we got 19.15 as the next intermediate level. So I'm going to pop up to here and see what that gives us. So 19.12 to 19.15. Then 1990, 2046, and major level 2257. Now, we already went through the support on the 4 hour. Let's take a look at the daily. See, this is if we get any pullback, I'm going to be bigger pullback. I'm really focused on this 1410, 1412 area. So we had a prior little resistance shelf. We have the rising rotation zone, and we have the 25% pullback. So that's the area I'm really focused on any pullback. If you're just going to keep trading with the trend, wait for some kind of rotation back up there. This is actually looking very toppy, but you know, it might just pause. Remember, there's two kinds of corrections. A correction, so this would roughly be a drift sideways. This one down here would be a pullback to the rotation zone. See how it took multiple steps down and came down to the rotation zone, rotating back up? This one pulled back slightly, but really just drifted sideways. So at this point, I'm going to be watching. If we start drifting sideways, I'm going to be keeping an eye on especially the 4 hour rotation zone to push price. If we start pulling back, I'm going to be more focused on the daily to watch for key support. That's what we have for you on Chainlink. Remember, please subscribe, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.